I went to Bigogwe because I wanted to experience it. I wanted to see it, to feel it, and to tell its story as it is. The journey itself already felt like an introduction. I was on a motorbike, the rain coming and going, the road winding through the hills. Even before arriving, Bigogwe was already showing its character. Green, alive, and unpredictable. When I reached Bigogwe on the first day, the rain slowed down. It didn't stop completely, but it gave me time to move, to explore, and to observe.
Here already at Muhe or in Muhe. So this is where the cars are.
Ici Pamela.
Everything around me felt fresh. The hills were deep green, the air was cold and clean, and the silence was broken only by cows, wind, and distant voices. That day, I went up into the hills where the cows are kept. The Inyambo cows stood proudly, calm and elegant, their long horns cutting through the mist.
aramukoze yakunize arufite ubusa mu bwinshi.
Nitwa Byiringiro, maze imyaka 15 mba mu nka. Iyi nka muri kubona hano yitwa ndaza kubabwira akazina kayo, ndayivugira igisekuru cyayo. Iyi nka yitwa Imbonera, kanyivugire igisekuru cyayo namwe muraza kucyumva. Enicaranyije n'abagabo nziza icyo ngikundira ivanze ubuje n'umuranga ikavanga ubwemanye n'ubwo bifunze inyuma ikorosha imbavanze ubwemanye n'ubwo bijanye itondera bakamye ikavanga ikamagana ubwo kumuzinga guma.
I met people along the way. One of them was a young woman who had traveled from Karongi just to experience Bigogwe. She shared why she came. What drew her to this place?
Hari inka z'inyambo ziteye ubwuzu kuzireba, hari n'imisozi myiza, mbese muri make Bigogwe ni nziza cyane, nayikunze bitewe n'ibyiza nahabonye.
It wasn't just tourism. It was curiosity, connection, and appreciation. That first day was about discovery, drinking fresh milk, walking among the cows, taking photos, listening, learning. Bigogwe wasn't performing for the camera. It was simply being itself. I spent the night there so I could continue the story the next day.
You have to be fit to do this.
Yeah, you
Don't think you can just come and not know how to walk.
Yeah.
Or you just gonna come like this. Ooh, I'm going to go see the cows. I'm going to walk 20 feet, 20 little feet, and then I'm going to see the cows. No, look at my poor guy. Check him out.
He's done.
He's done.
Yeah.
Look.
You are so fit.
Thank you. I'm 51.
51 and fit.
51.
Yeah.
Fit T1.
Fit to one. Yeah. You got it. How do we call these cows in Kinyarwanda?
He said Inyambo.
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 Yay.
Hello.
The second day, the rain returned, and this time it didn't stop, but instead of taking something away, it added another layer. The hills became softer, the colors deeper, the experience more intense.
Hey, look, this raggedy ass hat. You are beautiful. You are beautiful.
That's the day I finally met Ngao. Together with him, I returned to the hills. We were joined by an American woman named Shaun, visiting Rwanda. Shaun's excitement was immediate, seeing the Inyambo cows up close. She touched, laughed, asked questions, and absorbed everything. I filmed her reactions, her curiosity, her genuine happiness.
Them on the top?
The one with the horse, you can just
The baby one? Okay.
look at she.
I'm gonna put him in my pocket. You can put it in my pocket.
Later, she shared how she experienced Rwanda, the beauty, the people, the calm, and how Bigogwe stood out to her as one of the most beautiful places she had seen. Her words added another voice to the story.
Rwanda is beautiful. Absolutely.
So, how many countries have you ever been to?
If I had to add them up, I think I'm on 43 now.
Sometimes I'll like forget and be like, oh yeah, I have been to Germany. And then somebody like, oh yeah, I have been to Amsterdam. What about, yeah, I've been to Lexington. I've been to Belgium. I've been to that place. And it's like, I've been to a lot of places, but it's Rwanda for me. Yeah. I've decided that I'm going to live in Rwanda. Yeah, this is my fourth trip. So this will make number 4 that I've been since last year. Yeah. I don't know, which one is it? He's on the video, he's on Facebook. And he does that. He's always whistling, he's always singing, he has his head like this, and he's singing. He does this.
He's from here?
He's from here. Yes, he's from here. He's like, I'm going to show you.
Okay.
What's the song? That's the song.
Around us, the rain continued to fall. Mud on the boots, mist on the hills, cows standing unbothered, people moving slowly, naturally, in the rhythm with the land. I had planned to do a longer interview with Ngabo, but the day itself became the interview. The movement, the rain, the interactions, the shared experience, all of it spoke.
I've been watching you on Facebook. And I saw you on Facebook. And I wanted to see you. You've been my baby cow. You didn't even know it. Hi, baby cow. Okay, step back. I got it. Come on, baby cow. Come on, baby cow. Come on, baby cow. I love you. I love you, baby cow.
You meet your baby cow now.
I got my baby cow.
You've been watching him?
His little horns is coming in. His little horns.
Yes.
Look. Look at his little baby horns.
Yeah.
His baby horns is coming in. Yes.
Bigogwe taught me that beauty is not only in the clear skies and perfect light. It is in details, in wet grass under your feet, in warm milk on a cold day, in conversations with strangers who came for the same reason, to experience something real. This story is not just about a trip, it's about a place that welcomes you as you are, a landscape that tells its own story, and moments that don't need to be staged to be powerful.
Here we go. Like that?
Bigogwe is not something you rush through. You arrive, you slow down, you listen, and if you pay attention, it gives you more than you expected. And that's the story I came to tell.